Villafuerte.
Check! Check! Check!
Sige, wait. So, first of all, I want to greet you a happy birthday. And for me, it's honestly amazing that we became close during grade 12. And wala ko ka-expect na magka-close sa, actually. And thank you for all the laughter, especially magkuyog ta nila kay nila Irene. And thank you for being there to share with things mga random talks na po sa country. And then, I'm happy nga isa ko sa mga people nga naka-witness na nila today. And again, happy birthday.
Alright, thank you so much, Race Villafuerte. Hold on, Raisa Garcia.
So, first of all, happy birthday to our Miss Talo 2026 first runner-up. Hi Miss, happy birthday. I've known you since grade 9, and even though we only became close in grade 10, I'm really grateful what we did. And I am happy for the friendship we built with our little group, Tere and Ganesh. And thank you for being such a genuine friend and for all the memories we shared through the years. I'm really happy to celebrate this special day with you, especially nga, of course, tagsanan sa magkita kay Lana Tagpat sa college na to. And more na happy birthday, Waze. I love you so much. God bless.
Alright, thank you so much, Raisa Garcia. Next, we have Therese Alberta.
Ay na!
Alright, next we have Hyacinth Rimonde.
So hello, good evening everyone. So I am Mrs. Class President for grade 11 and I'm also one of her close friends now. So my message for you girl is happy birthday. Welcome to the world of legality. I hope that once you step on your journey onwards to a better future, I hope you are guided with love and everything that you are needed with. So please remember nga naala ko, our friend group, it will always be, and I hope you always come running back to the future. I know nga mag-isula to ang things to meet in the long run, so I know you'll come back to us someday. So, happy birthday. Welcome to legality.
Alright, thank you so much, Hyacinth. And we call on Ishi Figueroa.
Nag-slide ko ay.
Happy birthday, Missy! Ako din, yung sigig pangayuan ug mangga. Ako classmate pa grade 11. I still remember the first time I saw you during our grade 9 enrollment. We already knew each other back then, pero dili pa gid kayo ta close ato. As time passed, especially pag abot sa grade 11 nga same taog, circle of friends, mas ni-close pa gid ang atong friendship. I'm really thankful nga nakaila ko nimo ug mas nakaila pa gyud ko nimo sa imong personality. Thank you sa friendship, sa memories, ug sa tanang good moments nga atong na-share as classmates and friends. As you celebrate your special day, wish you happiness, success, and more beautiful memories in life. Stay kind, genuine, and strong. Padayon na good sa pag-achieve sa imong dreams. Happy
Alright, thank you so much. Padayon gihapon sa pag-achieve sa imong dream. And next we have Caitlin Abelia. Miss Caitlin? There she is.
Kisay ngalan. Paras mo gano, paras siguro
Good evening, everyone. So I am happy legality, ma'am, and kabalo naman dyan ka grade 9 batae, paano na kining volleyball buddies. And then, nagplan tatang duwa nga mag-skwela sa UC Manila, but sadly ako ra dyan na dayon, but mga ra dyan na, happy birthday.
Alright, thank you so much, Miss Caitlin. Next we have Princess Lantrixie.
Hi, Whiskey.
Whiskey.
Happy legality. Mabasa mo. Thank you, Kai, for inviting me and super happy sad kay ko kay napil ko sa meeting candles. I'm really glad ka nagka-friends ta. One thing I really appreciate about you is how you compliment me, especially sa akong waist. Even though insecure ka yung about sa akong body. Gamay ra nga thing for others, but nagkado siya ng comfort for me. So thank you, Kai, for making me feel confident. Deserve you mo tanan good things in life because you're genuinely kind and thoughtful. I hope this new chapter brings you more happiness, blessings, genuine people, success, and memories no worth remembering. Stay pretty lang jud ka always, and once again, happy birthday. Enjoy your day to the fullest, and of course, we all know that you deserve it so much. Happy birthday.
Alright, a round of applause to Princess Lantrixie. What an inspirational message coming from her. Next we have Kay Alcae.
Happy birthday, Wissy. I'm really glad that we became friends. You're one of the most genuine and truest people I've ever met. I never expect that we would be close to what we are right now. Know that I will always be here for you, to support you, and to cheer for you like what I did back when you competed in Hiyas ng Kalawat. And I hope you get everything you wish for because you truly deserve it.
Alright, thank you so much, Miss Kay. Next we have Daphne Alferez.
Okay, so, hello. Muli na lang ko, Char. Hello, Miss. Oh my God. Hello, happy birthday. And may I just say, you look very majestic. Oh, majestic. Ito, oh my gosh. So nga kapag so good. Ano ba sila mo? Gosh, yun. Pero okay, happy birthday, Macy. Joke! Happy birthday. Okay, confession. At di mo siguro ni bago ninyo kay kabawan mo siguro mo ani, pero I really hated grade 9 ra ba? Anya mo to. Hate yun ako, tanan akong classmates sa una, pero okay, Alexa Play, you are the only exception by Paramore. Bitaw, see, I hated all my years in junior high, pero the moments that I spent with you were some of the things nga, kung akong i-remember balik kay dili ko masad maghuna-huna, pero malipay ko kay kanang you are one of those people nga kanang I always felt safe with kay bahalag bisag unsa na lang ko'y tabi ninyo kay I never felt judged sa imuha. So I think that shows nga you're really kind-hearted. So mag-thank you ko nimo, mag-thank you ko sa Papa ni Wisi, if na mga dire sa friends o mga silingan ni Wisi kay you really turned out to be a great person kay butan kay Kawisi. Oh my God, if not siguro kayo mga kanang hinumduman mo kay there was not a single moment yun I felt judged by you. Safe kay ko akong feeling mo. So thank you so much for that. And yeah, I'm really glad that I became your friend. Nya, bahalag distant kay ko at times kay you never like wala gid mo giver na ang katong connection niya. Wala ka niyang, oh my gosh, Daphne, wala na kay reply, FO na ta. Wala na jud ka ni Ana, my gani, sus. May tagi college kay bahalag di ta magchatana kay distant kay ko. Please understand kay distant jud kay ko sa chat pero whatever happens tara gid ko always nimo dere. Ha? Oh. Okay, Yamato, happy birthday, Wisi. I love you so much. Beyond words. Okay, successful ako ni Hilak. So, thank you. O niya na lang ang longer message kay condensed man daw niya na si Ganesh kay dili daw ta mag-airtime magtaman. So, o niya na lang along sa IG. So, happy birthday. Thank you so much for inviting me. Bahalag na lapas. O niya, happy birthday. May tagdili. May na tong friendship whatever happens. Thank you. Happy birthday.
Alright, thank you so much, Miss Daphne. And last but not the least, may call on Westing Morales.
Kabago, last kay kong message mo pero ako na lang i-short kay pura ka ilo. Lisod ko ganan mailak ka. So, happiest 18th birthday, Chin. Who would have thought nga magka-close tagkaman ka na ano, naka-close o, kanang Renegade sisters. I am forever grateful for our friendship. One thing I really love about us is that we have the kind of friendship that feels so genuine. A low maintenance friendship. We don't need constant chats or call every day. Kay, usaon pag constant nga dili na gani kay ka mo reply na ako. But somehow we still know that the love, support, and care will always be there no matter what. Anyways, I wish you all the best in life. Genuine happiness, love, success. I pray for your good health for you and your family kay I know unsa pud ka important ang imong family so dapat apil na sila sa good health. And I hope life continues to be kind to you because you deserve so much good in this world. And lastly, I hope we'll have many more years of friendship together because truly having you in my life will always be one of the greatest privileges I could ever have. Happiest birthday, Chin. I love you always.